Welcome back to your Gene Garage and what I'm doing tonight. Yes, it is night. And it's hot as hell here in Florida. Ooh, I'm about to sweat. But I have something that I had to show you guys in a minute. It just arrived. By the way, happy Father's Day for all of you around the world. Hold on, I gotta do something here. So right behind me, how you know, I'll be working on the CRX for a bit while now. And I bought something for the car maybe 2 weeks ago, and just arrived. So let me show you. See that piece of metal right there? That's what I'm installing today. So basically, I'm gonna have to make holes in the chassis to put that table, so that looks gonna look a lot better when I'm done. So hit the like, hit the share, and subscribe. Let me get on my tools, and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, guys. If you know very well, if you know me for a while, you know that every time I go to a car show, one of the things that I hate when the engine is right here, look back and see that hole right here. So what I'm doing tonight, now that I don't have nothing here, is basically I'm going to line this up. I want to find the best way to put a couple holes in here with some instead of just tapping into that, I'm going to try to like drill it to it, so I can have at least 2 solid holes in it, and we go from there. And I'll show you how this works. Let me first mark it up. Okay. So up here, got a couple things. Let me try this one. Okay, cool, perfect. So this one, basically I'm gonna go, nope, this doesn't work. Okay. Plan B. Plan B is, I'm gonna wing it. And plan B is basically put it right here. I don't have to go all the way in. I'm just gonna mark them. And I'll tell you why. Because right here, I'm about to put 2 nuts that you're gonna be able to. So now I got everything that I need. Let's take a look. So I want to put it back again. Whole trick is to be okay. The whole trick is to mark it where you want it to be at. I have a little lip on here. Let me show you if you can see it very well. But right here is a little lip around it, right? If you want to bang it in, it's up to you. I'm leaving it right there. It's going to give me a lip for sealing it. The issue I have is I got the wires right here. It's not letting me play with it the way I want to. That's okay. We're going to continue messing with this till we get it right. So I think right here where we're gonna go, I'm gonna put the first dot right here. Okay, then Make sure that I've got nothing behind it. Okay, I'm clear. We have right there. So you see, now I got two better places to do, right? So this is the first thing I'm gonna do. Oops. Woo! Went through. Okay, I had a wire right here behind this one. Okay, so now I need to insert one of these, right? And you can see it's not gonna be big enough to insert it, right? So I'm gonna move to the next one. It will be this one right here. Again, I'm gonna make sure I got nothing behind me, no wires. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that this fit. If it doesn't fit, then you gotta go up to the next level. Nope. You don't want to do it too big. Wow. Let's see. Perfect. I gotta do this side now. Whew. Hopefully I didn't hit nothing. None of my wires. Nothing. Alright. I just lost one. Hold on. Okay. So now these are gonna fit right here like that. Sorry guys. This is gonna fit right here. And then I have another one gonna sit right here, right? Before I put them in and seal it like this. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now pull them out. Pull them out. I got this little junk right here. This little tool right here. It's gonna make everything a lot easier. So you can buy this on Amazon for like maybe 40 bucks, 50, I don't know. Comes with the tools that you need, everything. It helps me a lot when I'm building a car. So I want to put this right here. And let's see how to do. Let's do this. Boom. And you're done. Now your car, every time you want to take this out, you can take it out. Every time you want to do something different to the vehicle, you can do it. See, in the past, ooh, my paint. Oof. Alright. So in the past, I had to do this. I don't like it. Now that I found this, it's the easiest way to do everything. I'm gonna do the same thing here. And then, boom, unscrew. Now, how this is gonna work is grab my screw, There you go. That's the first one. You gotta make sure, don't tie this down till you put the screws in, okay? And you got your second screw right here. So now, the reason I did this, so I want to keep it in place. Now I gotta do 2 in the bottom. Not gonna be able to 2 in the bottom. The reason why is on the lip itself. But I can grab, I think I might be able to put it right here. This is not going to be able to grab because it's right in the edge right here. Let me bring these in more. So now I got it on. I was just going to drill a little bit smaller right through here. And I'm going to do the same here. Actually, I don't have to do this one. This one's just going to put it there and hold it with a nut on the other side. And it should be able to do that to hold it in place. So I'll be right back.